Hello, welcome to this short video on how to pull the historical Nigerian monthly oil production volume. So it's very easy and straightforward. All you need to do is in your Excel 2016, you go to Insert menu, you click on Get Headings, and once it comes up, you type in Nigeria market data, and instantly you'll see the heading. You click on add and it will install it, and once it's installed you'll find it under home menu and you click on it to launch the heading, and instantly you launch it, you'll see a bunch of tools, but the one I'm going to talk about is the Nigerian oil production one. So you click somewhere anywhere in your Excel and you click on this Nigerian oil production. If you click on all records, it's going to pull out for you all the historical records from till as far back as to 1987, right? And we regularly update this, so it's 2 months back now, so it will soon be updated. We get the figures directly from the OPEC monthly production report PDF official report. And what if you want to pull out, say, for a specific month, right? The pattern is you enter the month in the 3 letters. So you'll notice I'm starting with the single apostrophe sign. It's to make Excel, retain my typing, my formatting, the way I type it. And then you specify the year, so maybe 2018, and then you type that in, and you click on Nigerian oil production for the highlighted months and year, and it pulls it out. So that's how it works, and thank you.